There are new indexes introduced by Deriv, Step 200 index and Step 500 index. You guys can see it here. So I saw an interesting market situation on Step 200 index. So here in today's video, I would want us to have a market analysis on this index price action. Basically, we'll be analyzing this index from a higher time frame, right, down to a lower time frame. This index was introduced on the 4th of April this month, would say. So it's been like 3 weeks since the existence of this index, and I saw something interesting, basically a nice trade opportunity on Step 200 index. So I would want us to analyze this index starting from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. You can see we've got like 4 weeks, would say 4 weeks of this index being in existence. So what's the market situation? Basically, what should we expect of this index? What's the next possible move on Step 200 index? Looking at the daily time frame, you can see that we had on this index existence, right, which was at this point, we had this index have a price value of $10,297 per Step 200 index when it was launched, and it's currently it fell to 9,966, right? So on its existence, we had a decline in value from the 10,000 price level to the 9,000 price level. So after the decline in value, we had price push up a little bit to sell further, to sell more, right? To come retest its lowest lows, which was at this point, which was at this zone, basically. To come retest these lowest lows, you can see this price level. Market is currently on this lowest lows price level. So should you expect a bullish reversal for price to get back to its highest highs, which was here, or for price to get back to its previous highs? Remember, this has been a level of resistance that was formed on this index existence. You can see price giving the sales, moving up a little bit, then selling further. All right, at this point your price moved up to sold to the downside. Market came back to that same level, repeated the same move. You can see it here, repeated the same move here. So it was at this point we can confirm this level to be a level of resistance, right, to be a level of resistance after the second sell. So price still came back to test this level the third time and give the sales on it. So we could expect market to come test this level, this previous level of resistance, or its highest price value, which is at this zone, right, which is at that point until market reacts to these lowest lows. So on the 4-hour time frame, the market structure is looking good. You can see that we got a couple of green candles, couple of bullish candles at this point, which is a bullish sign, right? So we could expect potential reversals, potential bullish move, possible bullish move on this index in the coming days and hours. Would say we also have another zone here which we have to pay attention to. We had a bearish order block formed at this point. We had this base drop, so we could see price do what, push up to this level as well to react to it. So we have three levels now which price could get to before any major sell on this index. But before then, we have to take advantage of the short-term buy opportunity on this index, at least buying this index to this level, right? So on the 1-hour time frame, basically everything's looking nice. So I'm short-term bullish on this index. I'm looking at for buy opportunities, possible buys on this index, and you can see that we got a double bottom formation here on the 1-hour time frame. The first lows at that point and the second lows here, basically the second lows at this zone. So this is a nice double bottom formation, having the neckline at this point, because on every reversal pattern formation there's always a neckline. So market has been reacting to this neckline, first reaction here, second reaction, and price has failed to break above this neckline. So if you can see price break above this neckline, would get neat buys to the upside, at least for the markets to come test this zone, this level here. So on this index, I'm looking at for bullish short-term buy move. I'm short-term bullish basically on this index. We have this level on the 15-minute time frame, and we can see the market create what, series of highs and lows, higher highs and higher lows. We got the first high here at that point, and we got the second high, basically a higher high, and then we got a low here, the first low at that point. the second low at this zone, a higher low, the third low here, a higher low. So this is a nice bullish structure on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm short term bullish on this index, but my entry point basically is at this zone, right? Is at this point. If you can see that we got a couple of consolidation, you can see that we got price or move in this range for some time before getting this breakout here, so if the market could actually give a retracement from this point it's broke out from, right, I could look out for possible entries. I could look out for possible buy opportunities on this index. And we have a nice bullish order block formation here on the 15-minute time frame. We have this nice bullish order block, right? So if price can give a little retracement on the test of this level of resistance, you could see price sell a little bit to come test this zone, this bullish order block zone for the buys. So my expectation is basically is for price to give the little sells from this point, from this current price level to the downside to come test this bullish order block, as well as giving a retest of this consolidation resistance level. Right, we have our consolidation resistance level here and our consolidation support level at this zone for price to come give a test of our consolidation resistance level, now turn to support, as well as this other block formation here for the buy. So I'll be looking to buying step 200 index at this zone, right? I'm looking to buy this index on the retest of this level. Basically, despite this index being a new index, the way we analyze the Roda index is the same way we would still analyze and approach it, right? So that's my view and market analysis on step 200 index, right? That's what I'm expecting on this index. Let's just expect a little retracement to this bullish order block and I would be buying. If I'm to take this trade, I would give you guys an update on how this trade played out. Right, so this is my buy setup on step 200 index, and if I'm to get my entries, I would be having my SL at below this structure, this bullish order block, or possibly below this our trend support, our trend line support level. So I'll be having my stop loss below it. You can see we're already getting the little sells a downside. We're getting price give the retracement. So on price getting to this point, I will be buying this index and I would give you guys an update on how this trade played out. Yeah, so my SL will be below this structure, this trend support. My first TP level would be on this resistance zone. This will be my first TP level because you can see market reaction on this level, getting price sell from here as a resistance. First sells the resistance, second sells at this point, resistance, and third sells at this zone resistance. We could possibly see the market do what? Come give a reaction on this zone on price getting to it. So that's the reason why I would be setting my first TP here. So on price breaking above this level, I could possibly look out for a second entry on the retracement, right? I'll look out for a trade continuation entry, right? So I'll be looking to buy this index on the break above and retest of this broken level of resistance, because this level will turn to a support level, resistance level now broken, turn to support. So for price to break above this level, it would invalidate it on the retest of it, turning this level to a support level. So I'll be buying on this zone, right? So I'll be having my second buy entry here, and my next TP, my TP2 would be in between at this point. This level we got market reaction on, you can see here, got price react on this level previously, support, resistance reaction here. So this would be my next target level on this index, my TP2. TP1 would be here, this resistance level, TP2 would be here, and TP3 would be at this zone, right? And if price can actually break above this level, break past this level, that zone, you can see these highs here on the 1 hour time frame, which is a very strong level of resistance, because you can see market reaction on it previously. We got a couple market reactions, support here, support at this point, right? Support here too, support here. We got price buy on this level a couple of times as a support, right? Support here as well, support here. You can see this was a support level, a support reaction too here. So we can see market reaction on this level, support, and price break below it here, turning this level of support to resistance level, support broken, turn resistance. So this is actually a strong level of resistance currently. So let's just expect price to do what? Gets to this point for possible sell reaction, right? Market structure is looking bullish already on the 15-minute time frame, so let's just take advantage of this nice buy opportunity on this index. So that's my view and market analysis on step 200 index, and I would give you guys an update if I'm to take the buys on this index. So for more market analysis like this and market breakdown, do it to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. You can as well comment on the next index you would want me to analyze. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have enough for day.